Insurance is valuable, but sometimes we don't realise it. Often it's because we don't understand the information we get, as it's not presented in a way that's clear and simple.
Deferred period. No.
Financial Ombudsman Service. Sorry, I don't understand it.
Non-disclosure? No, I wouldn't know what that meant.
Indemnity? I don't know what it means.
So what's the answer? Income protection specialist Unum is taking a stand on this. It's got together with the Plain English campaign to help the industry to produce simple and straightforward information that puts the customer in control. They can get the detail they need in a clear and simple way.
Insurance is so confusing in large part because we've made it that way. The insurance companies, we use acronyms instead of words, we use lingo instead of language. We've made it easy for us to communicate to each other, but we've made it very, very difficult for consumers to understand what we're saying, and we need to change that going forward. Unum did research with consumers to find out why they didn't engage with the insurance industry, what were the barriers, and one of the things that came through loud and clear is that they're confused by our products. They don't understand the choices, they don't understand the coverage, and one of the reasons they don't understand it is because of the language we use to describe it. They find it confusing and a little scary, and so we're partnering with Plain English to help to simplify the language we use to describe what we do so that everybody can understand it.
So it seems that some people are good at explaining things to the public and others need to try harder. The insurance industry seem to be the worst culprits at getting their messages across. Supporting Unum in their mission is Clair from the Plain English campaign.
We live in a complex world, there's no denying that. But we can make it easier for ourselves and for others by keeping it simple. And that's exactly what Unum are going to be doing with their income protection insurance. They're going to be writing the information that you need in plain English. So they'll get rid of all those jargon terms and gobbledygook that create obstacles to the information that you need to protect your lives and the people that you love. We're really pleased to be backing the campaign with Unum because we know after 30 years of campaigning just how much of a problem complicated information can be for people like you and I to cope with.
We're addressing the problem through simplifying our language and the way we describe our coverages. We're an income protection provider. Only 1 in 10 people in the UK are actually covered for income protection. One of the barriers to that is they don't understand the risk and they don't understand the coverage. If 9 out of 10 people become disabled and unable to work for an extended period of time, their income stops. They don't have a backup plan to protect themselves. And we need to change that going forward. So we provide a coverage that if you're unable to work for an extended period of time, we'll replace your income and allow you to continue to support your family, support your standard of living over an extended period of time. We're going to get to consumers in a simplified way so they can understand what we offer and how valuable it could be to them to protect their livelihoods and their families.